Oh man, am I excited for this one. We're going to be doing an unboxing and a close-up look of this guy here, the Vancouver Pop Race RWB exclusive. And if you saw in the last video, I picked up 2 of these. So I was lucky enough to do that. We're going to open the second one. This one I am not going to be opening. If you want to see like a close-up of video of that one, I highly recommend going to it's a New Collector's channel. He did a unboxing of this one, a close-up, an awesome video, awesome channel, awesome guy. I would definitely recommend checking that out. And we got the Purple Chrome Vancouver, the Chrome Supercon. We ordered the Chrome Green Tokyo Auto Salon ones coming. And if you want to see an unboxing of that before I get mine, New Collector did one there too. Check that thing out. Awesome video on that one. Thank you very much for that. And another Pop Race brother. So what we're going to do on this, I'm excited. We are going to be opening, not that one. But yeah, check this out. We got the purple, we got the chrome. Ordered the green chrome, and the gold chrome will be coming. Trust me on that one. So, let's move this to the side. Get the trusty scissors. And we will try here. See what we got. Alright, little bits of plastic out of there. Let's see what we got for this one. Oh, I can't wait for this. I can't wait for this one. Check out some card art for a second. It's got the Vancouver skyline. If you saw in the last video, if you were like, if I popped it and I was like, oh, check out, it's the Vancouver skyline. I was talking about the card art in the back, the cityscape. Yeah, I know it's a Porsche. You'd be like, oh, it's a Porsche, fool, not a skyline. But yeah, that's pretty nice looking there. But let's see what we came to see. Pop Race box. There it is here. So let's get a little closer view of this bad boy. Oh man, that thing looks so nice. I even think this one here looks a little better. Well, not a little, it looks better than the Supercon version with that gold on it. Look at this. Watch this. Come on. Gold engine. What? Oh man. Look at the details in this thing. I didn't even know that the engine opened until I saw like some other videos, because the seams are so good on this thing. Like when it's closed, look at this. Can you even see like that it's an opening part? Look at the seams on these things. Insane. I'm so happy. This thing looks so awesome. I had to go borrow my friend's little round table thing here. Turntable, whatever you want to call it. And I just see the wheels turn. Man, that thing, come on. Look at that engine, oh man. Let's try to get in there, hold on. Roll cage, rims. Come on. Hope you enjoyed the close-up of that one, as I did. I can't wait to get a better look at this thing, man. There you are in all its glory. Hope you liked the video. Like I said in last ones there, if you tuned into the end, 28's my lucky number. When I get to 28 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a little secret giveaway. So if you want to subscribe, hit the thumbs up or leave a comment if there's anything else you want to see. Like this beautiful one. I don't know if you can see in there like the roll cage, even the seats have harnesses, color, shift knobs, silver. Here it comes, check this out. Did you see this? The seat belts and harness? Keep loving life.